Hi everyone, for this lesson we'll take a look at transformations, and under a transformation you go from the initial figure, which is called the pre-image, and you perform a transformation, and then you end up with the final figure, which is called the image. So essentially you are mapping the initial figure onto the final figure under one of these transformations. It could be a reflection, a translation, a dilation, or a rotation. Alright, so an isometry is a congruent transformation where only the location changes, right? The size and shape of the pre-image and the image stay the same. Alright? So that's an isometric transformation. Alright, so another way to think of an isometric transformation is a transformation with rigid motion. So a transformation under rigid motion preserves the distance and the angle measures. Alright, so under a transformation, all of the points will map to the corresponding point from the pre-image to the image. So we start off at point A here. So we'll go to point A, and that maps onto this point here, and we'll call that A prime. And that's called the prime notation, right? And then we have point B, and point B maps onto this point here, right? So this point corresponds to this point, and we'll call this B prime. And then we have the last one there. We have point C, so point C maps onto this one here, and we'll call that C prime. So essentially we start off with the pre-image, so triangle ABC, and that maps onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Alright, and that's the notation that you need to use for a transformation. Alright, so that's the end to the intro lesson on transformations, and we're still happy.